cup of rice Chex. And then we're going in with 1 cup of wheat Chex. There they are. It's about a cup.
Okay.
Perfect. We got our classic original Cheez-Its. I want about a cup of those in there as well. Yeah, there we go. And a little bit extra pizzazz. We're doing white cheddar.
Ooh, I love the white
Cheez-Its
cheddar.
as well. So a cup of those. Just a cup of everything. Keep it simple. And then we'll top it off with a cup of pretzels.
Oh, smells good already.
Gorgeous. So I got 1 stick of melted butter in here. Then we're gonna add,
One of these?
Yep, the whole package of
Okay.
Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. Get it all in there.
Oh man, it's a little tight in there.
There you go, yeah.
All
Got
right.
it, perfect. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese.
Okay, so that is, this one is the one we got right here, Parmesan cheese.
About 1/2 teaspoon of onion salt.
All right.
And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a little extra flavor. There you go, easy enough. Give that a nice little whip together. All those flavors combined.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh, can you smell that? It smells amazing. All right, once those are stirred up, that took no time at all. Just gonna drizzle that right over our little medley here. Get all that goodness out of there. Beautiful. And then all it takes, stir this together. Ooh, this one's gonna be good.
Yeah,
I can already tell.
this one's gonna be addicting.
Is gonna be addicting. Ooh. It's like the perfect snack to have on your table when you have guests over for the holidays. It's like a little something to munch on. So yummy, so flavorful. Okay, perfect. I think those are looking all coated. We're gonna put a paper towel over top, then the lid so we don't get any condensation. We're gonna cook it on low for about 2 hours, but I'm gonna give it a stir every 30-ish minutes so nothing burns.
Perfect.
Let's take a look. Boom, smells amazing already. That's why we have the paper towel there. Keep it crunchy. Oh my, do you smell that?
Smells delicious.
Smells so good. I'm just gonna take this right out. Oh yeah, nice and crunchy. Let's sandwich that. Ooh, yum. Wow, smells amazing. All that Parmesan. Spread this out. Wow. Look at all those beautiful colors and it like crisped up. Like, look at this. Look at that crispy, all those flavors in there.
Is it good?
Wow. That is packed full of flavor. You gotta try some of this, baby.